Good morning, children. Joyada here. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 6.1, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. From your exercise square and square root. Chapter square and square root. In exercise question number 1, 2 and 3 we have learned that how to find the square of any number and what will be the unit place digit of a square number. Now question number 3, the square of which of the following would be odd numbers? So see, here it is 431. If we multiply 431 by 431, if we multiply 431 by 431, that means 1 and 1 will be multiplied in the unit place. So the square of which of the following would be odd numbers? That means when the unit place number is odd number, then its square will be also odd number. So the square of 431 will be a odd number. So square of this will be odd numbers. Understood? Next, you can write in this way square of. So you can write in full sentence square of 431 will be odd numbers. Next, see, when we will multiply 2826 as the unit place digit is 6, that is even number, and its square, even number square is always even number because 6 6 are 36. So it is also, so we can write square of 2826 will be even number. Similarly, as it is odd number, so it will be odd number only. Square of 7779 will be odd number. Similarly, 82,004 as the unit place digit is even, so square of 82,004 will be even number. These are only the concept basis. No need to make the actually the square of these numbers. No need to multiply 431 into 431 and after that you will see that the unit place is even or odd. It is enough to find that 1 into 1. When you will multiply 431 into 431, unit place digit will be 1 into 1. That means 1 odd number. Here also unit place digit will be 6 into 6, that is 36. 6 will be a the unit place digit will be even number in this way. Now an interesting thing you will see here. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digit. Here you all know that 11 square is equal to 121. 11 into 11 121, you all know that, you have find it before also. So 11 square is equal to 121. 101 square. 101 square will be, see the pattern, observe the pattern carefully. 101 square, 101 square is equal to 10201. That means, how can you, what is the change here? 1 to 1 in between 0, 110 will come. Come to the next number. It is 10,001. Then what you square? 10,001 square. That means 1 to 1 will come. In between how many zeros will come? Yes, in between you will write 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. If you want to verify it, multiply it in a separate place and check this answer is correct or not. Similarly, this number, if you make the square of this one, then what result you will get? Yes, you will get 1, 2, 1, and in between how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understood? So in this way the pattern, I hope you all understood the pattern. Come to the next sum. Now come to the next question, question number 5. Same thing, observe the following pattern and write the missing number. See here also, as we have done in question number 4, 11 square 121, 101 square 10201, but here the number has been changed. Here we have not written only 1001, I have written 10101 square. And when it is 10101 square, that means here how many 1 you can see? 3. So it will go up to 3. See the number 10, 20, 30, then it will be reversed 201. That means when it is 1 and 2, when the number is 1 and 2, it will go up to 2. When the number is 1, 2 and 3, then it will go 1, 2 and 3, then again 2 and 1. Then come to the next number 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 square. That means 1, 1, 1. How many 1 you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the number? You can, by seeing the pattern, by watching, observing the pattern, what you can see that 4 will come in between. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3, 2, 1, again 3, 2, 1, and in between 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You can multiply and verify that answers are correct or not. Now come to this answer. The answer is 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1. That means up to which number it has been reached? 5. So how many 1 you have to write here? By observing this pattern, we can write that you can write in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and square. As it is 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. How many 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it reached up to 5. Then 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Understood? These are the patterns. You have to observe it minutely and you have to verify also. If you want to verify, you can verify. Come to the next pattern. The next pattern is same question using the pattern, find the missing number. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. Very good. Then 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. Try to understand the pattern. 4 square plus 5 square plus dash square is equal to 21 square. If I understand the pattern, then only I can fill this one. Now how can you find this one? See, 1 2s are 2 1s are 2. So 2 square. Then after 2 which number is coming? 3. Then 3 square. Follow this pattern here also. 2 3s are 6. 6 square. And after 6 which number will come? 7. So 7 square. That means 4 5s are 20. That means 20 square. And after 20 it is 21 square. Come to the next question. 5 into dash, 5 square into dash square is equal to 30 square. That means it will come 6 square if I write. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Then 30 square, after that what number will come? Just after 30 which digit will come? 31 square. Here 6 7 ja 42, 42 square, and then result is 43 square. Isn't it interesting? Try to understand all this pattern and verify and make your own pattern and find out your answer. Thank you, students.